Hello everyone. Let us provide the solution to this question given to us. So we are asked to find the value of x. So we have that x raised to the power of x is equal to 5 raised to the power of x plus 25. So record that from the multiplication law of indices that a to the power of n plus m is equal to a raised to the power of n times a raised to the power of m. So therefore, we have that x raised to the power of x is equal to 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of 25. Thus, we have to divide both sides by 5 raised to the power of x. So this point will cancel out. So we'll be left with x raised to the power of x divided by 5 raised to the power of x equal to 5 raised to the power of 25. Also, recall that if we have a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, this can be expressed as a divided by b all to the power of n. So therefore, the left-hand side becomes x divided by 5 all raised to the power of x equal to 5 raised to the power of 25. So the next step is to multiply both index by 1 divided by 5. So we have that x divided by 5 all raised to the power of x multiplied by 1 divided by 5 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 25 times 1 divided by 5. So at this point, we have that x divided by 5 raised to the power of 1 times s is s, so we have x divided by 5 equal to, at this point we have 5 divided itself, we have 1, 25 divided by 5, we have 5. So we have 5 raised to the power of 5. Thus, if we compare, we know that x divided by 5 is equal to 5. So we have it that x is equal to 5 times 5. So x is equal to 25. So let us check if our value is correct. Recall that the equation we have is x raised to the power of x equal to 5 raised to the power of x plus 25. So this becomes 25 raised to the power of 25 equal to 5 raised to the power of 25 plus 25. So this becomes 25 raised to the power of 25 equal to 5 raised to the power of 50. So 25 to the power of 25 is giving us 8.881 times 10 raised to the power of 34 equal to, and also 5 to the power of 50 is equal to 8.881 times 10 raised to the power of 34. So we have it that x is equal to 25. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and I wish you a happy learning journey. Bye.